Hey, here we are with Radhakund Prabhu.
Hare
Krishna.
Haribo.
Maybe if you could say some words about the importance of Vrindavan and why we are going there and why maybe, I mean, now this Kartik month, a very famous, important month, is coming for the Vaishnavas, and like hundreds of thousands of people are coming, or maybe millions. How many people for Kartik? So many.
Thousands and millions of people are participating pilgrimage.
Yeah, now you can see the bulls also. We are coming with the bulls.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you can say some words maybe.
Hare Krishna. So this is Padyatra. This Padyatra is walking from Vrindavan, Noida. Noida is part of Delhi. So we have been walking for last 15 days. Every day we are stopping at different places and distributing Srila Prabhupada's book, distributing Prashadam, and doing Harinam all the way. So by walking, we are doing this Padyatra. You can see there are many devotees in front of us walking in this Padyatra. So today, we are entering into one of the 12 forests of Vrindavan, and this is Bhadravan. Right now, we are walking at Bhadravan. Bhadra means auspicious, all auspicious. Whoever comes to this forest, their life is always auspicious. There will be no inauspiciousness. So this is one of the 12 forests of Vrindavan, and very soon, just after walking 2-3 kilometers, we'll be entering into Bhandirvan, which is very famous forest, one of the 12 forests where Radha Krishna's marriage ceremony took place. So that's how we are working here, and we'll be reaching to Vrindavan on the 7th. 7th is Purnima. Purnima is Kartik Purnima, first day of Kartik. We'll be doing Vrindavan Parikrama along with 1500 devotees. All the devotees from around the world, Europe, America, Asia countries, they are coming here, and they will be doing Brajamandal Parikrama for 1 month.
And why do so many people take the difficulty to come here so long, and what's the importance of Vrindavan?
Aradhyo Bhagavan Brajesha Tanaya Tadhama Vrindavanam. It says that Lord Krishna never left Vrindavan. Even though he went to Dwarika, but he expanded himself. There are two Krishnas. He expanded himself and he went to Dwarika. There's another Krishna, but Nandan Krishna, he always remains here. So Krishna is always here. Vrindavan become glorious. So that is the reason devotees around the world, they come to Vrindavan. They get the association of the devotees. They get the dust of the Braj, and they purify themselves. And secondly, to perform austerities. Vrindavan is not for enjoyment. It is for austerities. Just like our Prabhu. Yes, Rasacharya Prabhu came from Europe, Hungary, and he is doing austerities. Similarly, devotee will come here. Main reason is to perform austerity, and this is the place Lord Krishna always resides here. That's the reason a devotee come here. And thirdly, this is the Kartik month. Devotee will be residing here. They will be offering lamb to Yashoda Damodar every day, Krishna Balram, because Srila Prabhupada says, Vrindavan is my home. If it is Srila Prabhupada's home, then obviously it should be our home as well. Yeah, this is our eternal home. So we should come to Vrindavan, we should get the association of devotees, we should purify ourselves, and then we should go back to our places and preach. That's how we become powerful, spiritually powerful.
Sounds very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be quite packed, Vrindavan. So
yes,
so many people there.
Yes.
And it's a really nice experience to see all these spiritual-minded people in one place, and to be in their association.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
Many of Srila Prabhupada disciples, they will be coming. Many sannyasis will be coming to Vrindavan for 1 month.
Yeah, great personalities and saintly
many
people.
Vaishnavas. So we'll be getting their association. I am very excited to go to Shri Vrindavan Dham.
Jai.
Yes. Okay. Shri Vrindavan Dham ki.
Jai.
So you have our darshan of our bullock cart.
Yeah. I can show it.
18 days we have been walking here.
A little bit.
And on the 7th of October we'll be reaching to Vrindavan. So this has been going on for last 9 years. Every year we come to Noida to Vrindavan. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Radhakund Prabhu.
Thank you. Hare
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hari Hari.
पदयात्रा